Hey guys, it's Niko here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with
Angela.
or also Zelia.
Gelia.
Sorry. And she's actually my best friend. She lives in Italy while I'm living in London. So we don't really spend a lot of time together, but now that I'm here in Italy, we're here together, so we're gonna do a video together. What is gonna be this video? So, you wanna explain?
Yeah, in today's video I'm going to do an everyday makeup routine for men. So it will be like a no makeup kind of thing, you know?
So, men out there, only girls can wear makeup. This is not true. And this video will show you how a man can like wear everyday makeup to look fab. So, if you want to know how to create this look, keep on watching.
First of all, we need to prep the skin because Niko has a very dry skin at the moment. So, we're gonna prep his skin. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna apply this rose caviar essence on his face.
Yeah. Oh my god, so fresh. I'm so dry. I'm sorry, Angela.
Then we're gonna brighten his under eyes with this eye cream by Saturday Skin.
Working.
What is it?
Tap, 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 tap.
Bang, bang. And then we're gonna apply a very hydrating cream, perfect for this time of the year.
Where are you winter? Actually, Christmas is gonna be in a few days, guys. So I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but if you're watching it after Christmas, which probably will be, I hope you had a great Christmas with your family and friends. Ooh. Probably I can upload it on 2019, so I can start the year with the YouTube. Oh, harder. Daddy.
Ok, che primer ti metto? Illuminante.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Okay, and now since Niko has very dry skin, as I said before, I'm gonna apply an illuminating primer.
Facial.
So now the skin is ready for foundation. For foundation, I'm using this one by Color Effects, which is very natural looking on the skin.
We love a natural look. For now.
And we're gonna bounce it with a beauty blender.
Oh yeah, bounce it. Boing, boing, boing. Oh my god, you remember boing?
Yes.
Oh my god. I just had a flashback. So guys, here in Italy a few years ago, well, we were in middle school. In middle school there was like this TV program called Boing Boing. And basically it was just like cartoon for like children. It was SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. Do I look more sexy?
Yes.
Oh my god, can you see the shade? I had an haircut the other day. Love it. It's late.
Now we're gonna cover the under eye circles, which are very small, but we're gonna cover them.
Cover it! I'm eating a lot of food here in Italy, but it's pretty much healthy. Yesterday we had sushi.
Healthy.
Oh my god, I'm exploding.
And today, for lunch, what did you have?
I went to my grandma and she cooked me like gnocchi with ragu, then some kind of meat, potatoes, pandoro, and spinach. Oh my god. So oh my god, I'm loaded. Oh, bounce in the mother house. Ma basta ma... Che cosa avete mangiato a Natale, ragazzi? Commentate sotto, qui sotto, voglio sapere. Datemi un po' di ricette. Qua metti i sottotitoli in inglese.
So now we're gonna do a soft cream contour, not anything too heavy, just to enhance the natural features of the face.
I want those cheekbones just to lay. So Angela, when did you start with makeup?
I started like since I was 14 maybe, but the passion came to me like a few years ago when I had the possibility to be in contact with a lot of makeup when I was in Moscow.
Ooh.
There are a lot of brands there, a lot of big drugstore shops. Yeah.
Oh yeah. And Angela is originally from Russia. I can say a few words. До свидания. Как дела? Привет. Patata?
Kartoshka.
Katoshka. That's all I know.
Okay. So Niko has naturally full brows, but I want to enhance them a little bit just to correct some spare points he has.
Yes. The face in your walk. Head to toe.
Come fai perché si procede così?
Bene?
Sì.
Oh, pulito il naso. What's your favorite beauty guru on YouTube or Instagram? Do you want to mention anyone?
Mine?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess everybody knows about Jeffree Star.
Queen.
Which is, yeah, he's basically our favorite YouTuber, and
Oh my God.
his makeup is my favorite. So yeah, I watch all of his YouTube videos. Then have few other vegan YouTubers I follow, and of course the biggest one like Jeffree Star, James Charles, those kind of things.
Hi sisters.
And you?
Oh, same. I love Jeffree. Jeffree and James are my top favorite. They're so fun and I really love them.
So now we're gonna fix the eyebrows with a clear eyebrow gel because Niko, yeah, has dark eyebrows, so he doesn't need any like tinted eyebrow gels.
Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Oh my god, I've been to Beverly Hills a few months ago. Loved it. I want to live there. Can we move there?
Yeah, of course.
Totally. Hope you guys can see it.
So last step, I'm not gonna fix and powder his whole face. I'm just gonna concentrate under the eyes. So I'm gonna use my favorite powder, which is very expensive, but Niko deserves that.
You know me.
So this one, I'm gonna apply it directly to his under eyes.
What's the brand?
Called like Charlotte Tilbury Makeup. She's a makeup artist from the UK.
Okay.
She's very talented and she did this ear makeup for Victoria's Secret Angels.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Oh, goals. Me. You guys are not ready. We're gonna shoot also a video in the future. Well, probably it's gonna be up soon as well, where I'm gonna do the makeup.
I'm scared. Wish me luck.
And don't it up.
Dan, do you wanna makeup setting spray maybe?
Yes, of course. Oh my god, it's my favorite part.
Okay, so for daily use, I'm not recommending any setting spray with alcohol in it. So I'm gonna use this travel size Cover FX Illuminated setting spray.
Ooh. Love. Ooh. All set and fresh. And that was it. So if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna follow Zelia, Angela in all the social media, they will be linked down in the box below. And yeah, hope you guys like it.
Bye.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Okay. Yes.
Adoro. Go on. Oh, sono le 4, adoro.
Che cagne.
Ci piace.
Anche questo è carino.
Ah, devo fermare, cazzo, che continua. Pensa, dopo
I
lo
bloopers.
metterò. Come si ferma?